How to turn off autoplay in Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can turn off autoplay on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now I will show you what the issue is. If you open up Instagram and when you actually scroll to Instagram, the videos on your home page is actually going to be played by default even if you do not go ahead and play them. And this is really annoying sometimes when you're trying to just do something else and a video pops up, or maybe you use your cellular data but then it simply loads videos and it wastes your data too much. In that case, I'll show you how you can solve it. But keep in mind that this problem can only be solved if you're using cellular data. If you use Wi-Fi and even if you turn off autoplay, you'll not be able to turn this off because it's still going to keep playing. For the example purpose, I'll also just go ahead and show you. If I come to my profile page over here and then I tap on the three lines from the top right corner, go to the option called settings, and once you go to settings, choose the option called account. Once you go to account, scroll down to the bottom, select the option called mobile data use, and here you can see data saver, and it says that when data saver is turned on, videos won't load in advance to help you use less data. So that is simply how it works. Instagram has not turned on this feature for Wi-Fi users, but if you're using on cellular data, you can most likely turn it off. So just go ahead and turn on this toggle right over here, and you can select high resolution media, Wi-Fi only, or anything as such. So you can just go ahead and select never or anything. Now what we can do is we can come back to home page, but as you can see, even if I'm on Wi-Fi over here and I have turned off autoplay, videos are still going to be loaded by default. But let me switch to cellular data right now and then show you. So I'll just go ahead and refresh Instagram as well, and then I'll go ahead and open up Instagram again, and let's see whether or not it is going to work. If it works, then that's perfectly fine. If it doesn't, then try to load a video right over here. So let me also just go ahead and then show you. So you can see this is a video, but it's not going to be played by advance until and unless you do not go ahead and then tap on it. And that's all it takes to turn off autoplay on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.